Good morning and welcome to our fourth Fat Melter workout. How are you? Did you look in the mirror this morning? I am sure you look amazing already. We will start with a warm-up, then a new workout similar to the one we did yesterday. Today, we will do 3 sets of 4 exercises and then another 3 sets of 2 exercises. After each exercise, we'll have 15 seconds of active rest. The first 4 exercises are oblique jumping jacks, reverse lunge and kick, butt kickers, squat and side lift, and then 3 sets of butterfly kicks, and regular jumping jacks, which again are the best fat loss exercises. So, let's warm up. Always from your neck all the way to your feet. If you have a different warm-up that works great for you, do that one, no problem. Then, to your shoulders, circular motions. I also bent my knees a little. Going down in a lunge position while I stretch my upper body. Hold for a few seconds. Then, change to your other leg. Now, we're going to our legs, doing some slow squats combined with calf raises. Moving down to our ankles, doing circular motions. Now, let's start the timer, and we'll start with 30 seconds of oblique jumping jacks. Active rest again. "30 seconds of reverse lunges and kick. Breathe, but don't stop for 15 seconds. Butt kickers for 30 seconds. for 15 seconds. Now the first set is done. We have 2 more to go. 30 seconds of squats and side lift. Now active rest for 15 seconds. Seconds of oblique jumping jacks. Active rest again. Thirty seconds of reverse lunges and kick. Breathe, but don't stop for 15 seconds. Butt kickers for 30 seconds. Butt kickers really make your thighs thinner, so push it. Active rest for 15 seconds. And the second set is done. Seconds of squats and side lift. Now active rest for 15 seconds. We'll be starting the last set with oblique jumping jacks. Active rest again. Seconds of reverse lunges and kick. but don't stop for 15 seconds. Butt kickers for 30 seconds. Active rest. Active rest, and the set is done. Active rest for 15 seconds. Regular jumping jacks. Active rest for 15 seconds. Butterfly kicks for 30 seconds. Active rest for 15 seconds, and we only have one more set to go! Regular jumping jacks. Active rest for 15 seconds. Butterfly kicks for 30 seconds. Active rest for 15 seconds. Push a little bit. It's the last round of jumping jacks for today. Active rest for 15 seconds. Okay, great job! Let's do a stretch and get to work. I usually stretch from my shoulders all the way down. However, if you have your own way to stretch, do it. I really want you to breathe as deeply as you can during our stretching because you'll have so much more energy afterwards. Fill your lungs with air and then empty them. At the same time, imagine that you are on the beach in your bikini. You can feel your feet touching the warm sand and you are so slim and fit that everybody is smiling to you. Now, let's sit down and do another stretching move for our back and hold for a few seconds. Going into the Cobra pose. Bent over your left leg, hold for a few seconds. And then, when you feel it's enough, move to your right leg. See you tomorrow for another fat melting workout.